Hey, I'm back at Hollytree Off-Road. Today we're doing some rallycross. Luckily it's not raining yet. Hopefully the rain holds off. So I actually like to get on a track for once that's not a muddy mess. Even though I just want some thunder. There's also Mr. Jack's first time in the Baja. See what those big knobby tires would do.
On my dreams with silhouettes and all, and I just wanted to forget without a second thought, 'cause I've been lonely and I'm 2 steps far from home.
I'm taking a ride in Shankstor's Baja. I mean, it's no ute, but it's close enough.
Maybe all that's left is to push me far away. Maybe all that's left is to watch the stars as they fade away.
Okay, event's over. Time to pack up. But I was out having some joyrides, fucking around. Knee beat in my wheel tire. Luckily I bought extra, but gotta go. Okay, I made it home. As you can see, the car is nice and dirty on the inside. Not so bad on the outside. Guess the rain cleaned the car for me. Well, for the most part, still dirty in the wheels and dirty back here, but still less for me to clean. But up here, whole nother story. But other than that, it was a good day. I had a lot of fun. The car did great. Stayed together other than the wheel issue. That was at the end. That was after the event was over and just goofing off. So that's definitely a plus. My times were pretty decent all day, pretty consistent. And had fun, even though it was hot, dirty, miserable. I definitely need a bath. So I'm gonna clean this stuff up, put it away, or take a shower. But I'll see you next time. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it. And also subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down here somewhere. Looks like a bell. I don't think it jingles. And if you're quarantined like me, stuck at home, nothing to do, well, I got plenty of things to do, you can check out one of my other videos where I fix or break things or crash or everything else. But until then, stay safe, have fun, don't do anything I would do. Peace out.